Hi, I'm Isaac Rodriguez. I'm a business consultant. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to make a recommendation to management. A recommendation you would want to make if, let's say, you found a better way to do the job that it is that you're currently doing. If you're involved in a production line and you realize that there's a particular step that potentially could be eliminated that would make your job easier and potentially for other employees and save the company some time and money, you want to make that recommendation perhaps in a suggestion box. Many companies have suggestion boxes in their facilities, or you could speak to your supervisor and have an informal conversation, indicating to the supervisor that you may have a better process. If you're in an office environment, you could write a memo to your supervisor that details what it is that you're proposing and that you're recommending. These are some of the ways that you can make a recommendation to management and have them look favorably on having you as an employee. I'm Isaac Rodriguez, a business consultant.